Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce travel costs with Expedia step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Expedia website or opening the app on your device. Sign into your Expedia account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Enter your travel destination in the search bar along with your planned travel dates. Select the type of travel service you are looking for, such as hotels, flights, or vacation packages. If you're flexible with your dates, use the flexible date search option to find better deals. Adjust your search filters based on your budget, preferences, and specific requirements. Once you see the search results, sort them by price to check for the best offers. Look for package deals that combine flights and hotels, as this can lead to significant savings. Consider using the Save on Your Trip feature, which offers personalized travel deals based on your preferences. Read reviews and check ratings for accommodations to ensure you are getting the best value for your money. If you find a deal you like, click on it to see more details and confirm the total cost. Before finalizing, apply any promotional codes or cashback offers you may have. Proceed to the checkout and enter your payment information. Review all the details, including cancellation policies, before completing your booking. After booking, keep an eye on your email for confirmation and check for any updates or changes from Expedia. If you spot a lower price after booking, consider using the price match guarantee for potential refunds. Plan your itinerary and confirm your bookings as your travel date approaches. Stay informed about any travel advisories or restrictions that may affect your trip. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your travel costs while using Expedia. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.